Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are doing well. So, let's begin your English class. Last week we were doing articles and we'll continue the topic and try to complete today. Okay, so here are the images of the chapter. We will start from the first page. Okay, this page was given to read only. So, we'll discuss today. Warm up session. Okay, Riddhi asked Sandhya some riddles. Do you know their answers? Here 3 riddles are given and you will try to give answers. First one, what goes around this world but stays in a corner? Okay, what goes around the world, जो पूरे वर्ल्ड में जाती है, घूमती है, but stays in a corner, पर उसकी जगह क्या है? A corner. Okay, रहती कहाँ है? A corner. So the answer is a stamp. Okay, have you seen a stamp? It stays in a corner of an envelope or a letter. Okay, on a post. What has a face and 2 hands but no arms or legs? What is the name of that thing that has a face, 2 hands but does not have arms or legs? It is a clock. Okay, क्लॉक में होते हैं ना 2 hands, one for minute and one for hours. Okay, and face also. What has an eye but cannot see? ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जिसकी आई है but it cannot see? Dear students, it is a needle. Have you ever thread a needle? needle के ऊपर एक होल होता है, okay, जहाँ thread डालते हैं, तो that hole is called an eye. Okay. So, in the above questions, the word in color are articles and we have learned about using a, an and the in previous classes, है ना? And last week also I taught you about articles. There are 3 articles in English language, a, and the. Okay. We use an before words that begin with vowels a, e, I, o, u. An ant, an elephant, an igloo, an otter, an umbrella. So, all the words ant, elephant, a, igloo, e, otter, o, umbrella, a. So, these words are begin with the vowel sound. Okay, a, e, u, a, o. These are vowel sounds. So, we will use an before them. An is also used before words that begin with the vowel sound. Okay, Meeta waited for an hour at the bus stop. Like this is, we pronounce it R. I told you that day also that it is R, not har. Okay, H has a sound. Okay, H is silent here, so we will use an R. Okay, we will follow sounds. Okay, not particular letter given. Okay, so we will use an before R. We use a before words that begin with consonants. I saw a penguin in the park. Penguin started with P. So P is a consonant. A penguin. A mountain is huge. A ma is again consonant. We use a or an when we talk about one animal, place or thing. We do not use a or an before plural nouns. Okay, a is a singular a shows for a singular thing. Okay, so we will use it with a singular noun, not with plural. Mihir saw a cross is given before giraffes because giraffes is a plural word and we cannot use a or an before giraffe. Okay, giraffes means a lot of giraffes, so we cannot use a or an before this word. Next is, we do not use a or an before names of thing we cannot count. हम ऐसी things जिनको हम count नहीं कर सकते, we will not use a or an before them. Like there is milk in the jar. So milk cannot be counted. Okay, so it is given across here. No need to use a or an here. A and an are called articles, right? So there are given some fill in the blanks. There are given some fill-ups. We will try to use the correct articles in them. Okay, so let's try. First is, I bought an umbrella last week. First one is already done for you. Second is, do you know how to use dash computer? Ka is consonant, we will use a computer. Would you like dash orange? O is a vowel sound. And I took dash taxi. Taxi. T is a consonant. Bela Sood is dash engineer. A is a vowel sound. Sujata saw dash accident on the road. Accident. An accident. Srija works in dash hospital. Ho. See, जो R था, that has a silent. H was silent there, so we used N. But here we will pronounce it hospital. Ha, not a. Then we will use a hospital. Okay. That is Ashwini. He is dash police officer. P is a consonant sound. This is Bhola. He is dash plumber. P is again consonant plumber. Please boil dash egg for me. Egg. A is vowel sound. And Mr. Sani is dash English teacher. E. I told you a, e. Vowel sound. An English teacher, right? Now you have given some words and you have to use a or an before them. Okay? And where not a or an is not required, you will make a cross before them. Like star, you can write a star. आप बोलते हो ना, देखो, look at this star, you can use a star. Eggs is a plural word, so we will not use a or an. Water cannot be counted, make a cross. Year, this is year sound is pronounced when we pronounce year. So no or an will we will use a here. Okay, we will use a, right? Ear, a wall, a glass. Books is a plural word, so we will use cross. Apples is a plural word, we will use cross. Sugar cannot be counted, we will use cross. Okay, only 4 words. In 4 words we will use a, nowhere we will use an. Okay, so next is, we use the before the names of. अब हमें ये बताया है यहाँ पर नेक्स्ट कि हम बिफोर द कहाँ यूज़ करेंगे. द नेम्स ऑफ फेमस बिल्डिंग विल, इफ वी आर गिवन फेमस बिल्डिंग्स नेम, वी विल यूज़ द बिफोर देम. लाइक द ताजमहल, द जामा मस्जिद. Examples are given just next to names of buildings. Mountain ranges, the Rockies, the Himalayas. Okay. नेक्स्ट इज़ होली बुक्स. होली बुक्स होती हैं जो बुक्स होती हैं टेम्पल्स में, या जो हमारी होली बुक्स किसी की भी हो सकती है, मोमडन की, क्रिश्चियंस की, लाइक द गीता, द बाइबल, द कुरान. ओके, द महाभारता, द रामायणा. ओके, these all are holy books. Newspaper, the Times of India. Okay, or the Hindustan Times. Like we use the before newspaper's name. Oceans, the Atlantic Oceans, the Pacific Ocean. Seas, the Bay of Bengal, the Dead Sea. River, the Nile, the Gangas. Trains, the Shatabdi, the Rajdhani. Or before something of which there is only one, or like the things which are only one in the world, we will use the before them, like the moon, the sky, the sun, the earth, the world, because these things are only one in the world. Okay. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Now you have to use a, an or the in these blanks. Indian Express. Indian Express is a special name of an express, so we will use the Indian. Rainbow. A rainbow. University. Because it is begin with U, but we don't pronounce it university. It is not like pronounced like umbrella. It is U. University. So we will use a. As. N as. Uniform. Year. A uniform. Igloo. An igloo. Boy. A boy. Umbrella. An umbrella. Ox. An ox. Question. A question. Sun. The sun, because the sun is the only one. Arrow. An arrow. Orange. An orange. Arabian Sea. The Arabian Sea. Indus. The Indus. Bible. The Bible. Okay. Next is fill in the blanks with a, an or the. This part is for you. You will do this part in homework and try to do on your own. So bye bye for today. Take care of your health. Bye bye. Have a good day.